WebOS. Ugh. You know what would be better than having advertisements plastered into my retinas? An operating system from 1995. So yeah, my plan is to install Windows 95 on this TV. I want to see if I can do it in my TV's native OS first, and then we might move on to other options. Apparently, my version of WebOS is actually rootable. So to root this to install applications LG doesn't want me to install, we're going to be using this tool right here by Throwaway96. We basically just have to put it on a FAT32 or NTFS USB, plug it in, run a dubious MP3 file, and then it should simply be rooted. Alright, well that's easy enough. Time to plug this totally safe USB drive into a TV that I spent a lot of money on. There we go. Probably should turn off developer mode. I'm pretty sure it said not to have this installed at all. I don't know what happens if you have it installed while you do this, but I'm pretty sure if they say do not do it, it's probably bad. I'm just gonna delete it. Goodbye. All right, let's browse files. Where is it? Media player. Is this the MP3 file it said to run? This file cannot... Oh, it's doing it! Installation failed! Dev mode enabled not recognized. What do you mean? It's not on. What? Okay, hang on. I gotta look at something over here. Okay, it's hard to tell what this guide is saying, but I'm pretty sure it actually needs me to have developer mode enabled just for the rooting process. But do not install it while your TV is rooted. Also, turning developer mode on. Okay, USB drive inserted and run. Good. Installing. Yay! Rooting complete. You may need to reboot for Homebrew channel to appear. However, the dev mode app is installed. You must uninstall it before rebooting. Good. I will do that. Hey, there's the Homebrew channel, and I'm uninstalling dev mode. Loop. All right, uninstalled. Time to reboot. And if all has gone to plan, I should have a fully rooted TV. We've got the Homebrew channel. I'm gonna go ahead and launch it. All right, now we're gonna get what we're here for. RetroArch install. And there we go. We got RetroArch installed on a TV. Isn't that something interesting? So now we need to get DOSBox on here to install Windows 95 in it. All right. So apparently to get cores on here, we actually have to SSH into this TV. Hey, look at that. It's connected. And it's in media, developer, apps, user, home, applications.com, RetroArch, config, RetroArch, downloads. Holy hell. What a file directory. I assume I just drag this .so file into here. There it is. All right, I've prepared a blank hard drive image with the installer of Windows 95 in it. So we get to install it on the TV. Let's do it. Hey, it worked. Load core, that one. Oh, look at that DOSBox on a TV. That's interesting. How am I going to type on here? Does it support USB keyboards? Does it do that? Okay, it appears that it might be working because it just said HID device detected. Oh, wow. The mouse even works. Interesting. All right, just keyboard. Keyboard does some interesting things. Oh. Okay, okay. How will I type? How will I type? Good question. I don't know. Ah, testing. Okay, hello. It's been literally a month. I kind of procrastinated a little bit. I think something strange has happened to my RetroArch here. The pointer has become a giant square. If I scroll at the same time as moving the remote, it kind of shows the square as my pointer. So that's really interesting. I think I probably just should reinstall this before I go any further, so I'm gonna do that. RetroArch moved? Oh, okay, let's uninstall this one. Maybe that'll fix the issue I'm having. I'm gonna go ahead and launch this. Well, at least my cursor is working. Oh, because I installed a new version of it, I have to... Oh no, I have to transfer it all over again. Ah. Okay, I've put the core on here, and we're gonna go find it now. Where is it? Oh, stop telling me it's low. I know it's low. Wait, these are new batteries. What do you mean they're low? Oh, well, they are kind of like off-brand. Oh, this one might be leaking. It's fine. We're gonna continue using it. And now we're on this screen again. Does the keyboard work in this version? I bought a new keyboard. Would you like to see the mouse that it came with? What the hell even is this? How are you supposed to comfortably hold this? It's awful. It's as uncomfortable as it looks. The keyboard's fine though, but anyway, I guess I'll go plug this in. HID device is connected. Here's the keyboard. Spacebar. Nope. G works. Why does only the letter G work? I am so confused, man. What? How am I entering characters here? It's paused. What do you mean? What is the unpause button? Controls. I've taken a screenshot. Oh my god. Okay, there's a button on here that does stuff. Hold on. Oh, it's scroll lock. This keyboard doesn't have a scroll lock button. All right, well, we got to go to the menu then. Game focus toggle. Why don't we set the game focus toggle to F12? Oh, look at that. We got a keyboard. Wow. So my last keyboard just didn't frickin' work for this TV then. Well, so we should be able to type our command to boot the OS now. Let's find our path. Where was that? What is the path going to actually be? Is it just slash? Mounting slash is not recommended. Please mount a subdirectory. I don't care. Drive C is mounted as local directory. Great. Okay, let's go to C. So we're in here now. Where is that? CD media? Oh, it's working. Hey, look at that. CD internal. Oh, we're getting close. CD DOSBox. DIR. There it is. There's my image file. You can see me also. Hello. If you've watched the 3DS video, you know now that I have to type a really fun command to mount this thing. Let's do it. Okay, the fact that I was able to remember this shows how many times I had to type this on the 3DS video. Surely I typed it correct from memory. Nope, I did not. How am I gonna mount this? Because slash isn't technically like a directory.
VoiceOver Jace here. DOSBox will not see this file path for some reason. It can see all the way up to media/internal/DOSBox and then do a directory listing and show me the image file, but when I go to mount it, like you could see me trying millions of times here, it says it doesn't exist. I think there's some sort of permissions issue, so I'm gonna try something here.
Okay, I've shoved the files in the directory that RetroArch exists in. I'll show what that looks like. I'm just gonna mount that one. God damn it. Check the path was correct. What do you mean? It's literally right there. Oh, these are periods. Hold on. Still not working. What is going on? What if I just boot it directly? The image file is read only. Oh.
VoiceOver Jace here again. Not working. Some sort of file system permission issue. So I have a backup plan.
Firestick. Sue me. It's still a TV OS. So yeah, in the spirit of keeping this Windows on a TV themed, I bought a Firestick. And the reason I bought a Firestick is because there are Fire TVs that you can buy. So technically, this is still Windows on a TV. And quite frankly, Android, which is what this runs, is so much better to do this. So in first conclusion, Windows on WebOS? Probably not very possible. You could probably get it to work, but I am dumb and I didn't get it to work, so we're doing it on Android on a Firestick. Remember to tip your drivers because they send you this stuff in a day. If you search in the app, thank my driver, you can tap the top banner thing and it'll do it. No connection to Amazon. No connection to Amazon. I just think that's a good idea. Does anyone fidget with their Fire TV remote and just do this all day? All right, we've got it all set up there. Oh, we gotta pull this thing off. Oh, that was incredibly unsatisfying. I think I did it wrong. Wow, this is horrible. Oh, and it's stuck to it too. All right, time to plug this into my TV and sell my soul to Amazon. Okay, so there's one predicament I need to solve before I continue with this. This thing does not have a USB port. This is the only one it has, and there is no way to plug a keyboard into it, and I don't want to use an app on my phone. So I've had this USB hub for a while, and I've always wondered, why is there a micro USB port on it? And then I have this thing, which is micro USB to USB. And I was thinking, what if I plug the power into there, connect this to that, and then connect... You'll see what I mean. There's no way this works, right? I guess there's only one way to find out. Plugging this floppy thing into HDMI, and then we plug the hub into the Fire Stick's power. There's no way this works, right? Like, no way. Oh, what? No way, it's working. It's stupid. Okay, I guess we'll have USB ports. Yay, keyboard is somehow working. So now we can continue with our journey of putting Windows on a TV. On a Fire TV this time. Alright, here's the moment of truth. I've got the drive path. Am I insane? Probably, and this working won't change that, but here we go. We're mounting X as the directory just to see where it is. That's my USB drive. It doesn't exist. You idiot. It does exist. I know it does. Oh, it had to be capital. There we go. There they are, once again, the dreaded image files. We've got DOS, and we've got Windows 95 installer. Well, we've got no choice but to run DOS first, so we gotta mount them. There it is. I swear to hell if this doesn't work, I'm going to explode. Oh, yay, I'm not exploding. Woohoo! Why does my skin look like that? Now for drive C. What do you mean you must specify drive number 1 or 3? Okay, fine. Boom. Yes! It's mounted as number 2. Okay, now we can boot it, finally. Will that work? Oh, it's booting. I don't care about the current time. All right, can we go to C? Will it let me, please? DIR. Oh, hell yeah. We got our games, Doom and SimCity, and we got Windows 95. All right, we're about to do it. We're about to install Windows on a freaking TV. I don't care that it's a Fire TV now. We're still doing it. Setup. Oh, yeah. Okay, to continue, press enter. Oh, yes! Windows, that probably peaked so hard. It's going, and it's so much faster than the 3DS. My dreams are being fulfilled. I don't know what kind of insane person has a dream of installing Windows on a TV. Why is it in fast forward mode? I can't with this anymore. It found 16,000 bytes of data. Uh-huh. I don't care, don't fix it. Oh, wow, this is really stupid. Does the mouse work? Oh, wow, it does. There is a huge input delay. I gotta show this to you. Mouse. Watch when I move the mouse. Oh my god. Someone's probably screaming at me right now. Oh, you did it on a Fire Stick, it's cheating. I don't care. There are TVs that run Firestick OS or whatever it's called, and that's what we're doing. Surely from here on out, there won't be any issues. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Let's see what custom has in store for us. Oh, well, we need a product key. Didn't someone say that all ones works? Let's try it. So you lied to me. What is our name here? TV OS. That's creative. Next. God, this mouse. Please. All right, it found some of these. Let's try the network adapter. And we want sound. Well, it's not crashing yet. This is way faster than the 3DS. Obviously. I mean, I don't know how it wouldn't be, but the following components will be installed. Nothing. Okay, cool. Next. It found the display, it found all the stuff. That's great. Well, we're almost there. Copying files. Setup is now ready to restart your computer to finish setting up Windows 95. Oh wow, this mouse is worse than it was before. Okay, finish. And it's, yeah, reboot is not, oh my god, look how fast that is blinking. So now that it's installed, we should just be able to type that humongous mount command and then just boot straight into it. So I'm gonna do that. Booting Windows 95, booting Windows 95, starting, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, first try. Not even a single issue. Oh, that's interesting. What does this mean? Oh, cool, my mouse is a black square. Well, it's setting up my hardware. Yeah, you might need to do that. It's kind of dying. It's a lot slower. Oh no, this program has performed an illegal operation. So I think we'll have to restart it. The Winstow 400 directory is damaged. Some programs might not work properly. Fine, fix it. It's damaged still. Do it again. Fix it. Keep fixing it. There's a lot of errors. That's not good. Oh my god. What is that? This is getting more corrupt as I keep pressing it. I don't think it's supposed to be displaying like that. Okay, this has been going on for a while. I don't know what that character is right there. It looks like a music note. Everything is damaged. How about we just don't fix it? Yeah, there we go. Look, that worked perfectly. It surely is gonna boot when I press enter. Yeah, see? It's fine. We don't need to fix any of those errors. Stupid errors. What? Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Windows is setting up your hardware. We're good. Not that again. Just close it out. There we go. Somehow I've opened Task Manager. Don't know how I did that. Oh my god, what is happening here? Alright, we might have to restart this again. Oh, good. We can go to safe mode. We've got a mouse. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Windows encountered an error accessing the system registry. Oh, if you ignore this, you may lose data. Restoring the registry will replace the faulty registry. That's good. Fine. Restore and, yeah, do it. Work flawlessly this time. Oh, it's not working flawlessly. If I just don't move the mouse, I'm not going to touch the mouse. Oh, wait a minute. I was just about to touch the mouse. I'm not touching the mouse. It's loading stuff. Yep, totally normal. Windows 95 installed. Nothing weird here. Just running on a TV flawlessly. Oh, we have to select our time zone. There's the map up there. Wait, where are my buttons? We got close, nothing, and nothing. Let's go with this one. Okay, nothing does nothing. What about nothing? Nothing does nothing as well. What about close? Close works. Hey, that fixed it. Okay. Add a printer. Nope. No thank you. Don't need a printer. Good. Alright, now we've got our teal background. So that means it's working. Oh my god, Lois, it's Windows 95 on a TV. Sort of. I mean, if I drag this, something bad is probably gonna happen. Oh, it's fine. What happens if I access the start menu? Totally normal. This is giving me a migraine. Alright, let's get to settings before this thing explodes. We're gonna set you to 16 colors. You don't get any more than that. Yeah, see, we got a mouse now. That might have been worse than the 3DS. Oh my god. And it's already crashed. It's probably fine if I just click close. Yep, everything's still here, see? Well, Windows 95 on a TV? What can we do in here? I'm gonna get more comfortable and we can get to gaming. What is going on? Go. Stop it. What do you mean? I don't need help. Clearly it thinks I need help. Stop. I do not. I might need mental help, but I don't need help with my computer. Close. There's nothing you can help me with, Windows, please. What does it want me to do? Double click a book icon. Sure. Yeah, I can't read it with that thing in the way. Okay, we'll just leave that there. Let's look at some stuff. Can we play a game? Can I play like Sim City or something? Oh, I guess I've opened the Doom folder. We'll play Doom. Out of my way. Program is set to run in DOS mode. Yes. Anything but Windows right now. Alright, new game. I'm too young to die. Alright, mouse doesn't work. That's fine. We'll use arrow keys. Oh god. Oh my god. Did not mean to do that. Oh, there's the door. How do I open it? Is it spacebar? Oh, it is spacebar. Good. I get to fast forward whenever I go through doors. That's just really good. Don't even care about that guy up there. Just run. Why are there no sound effects? Did I do it? I've done it. I've beaten Doom. Wow. Can my TV run Doom? It can. Alright, how do I get out of it? I don't want to play Doom anymore. Beautiful. What else can it do? Can we play Sim City? What company do you hail? My TV has Windows on it. Please help. Oh, okay. It crashed. It crashed again. Can it run SimCity 2? It can't. I'm exhausted. And I want to edit this video now. Alright, well, we've done it. We've installed Windows 95 on a TV. Yeah, it's a Firestick, kind of. But you know what? I can bend reality however I want on this channel. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Check out my music. And thank you for watching.